Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made Thanos Gauntlet. So I first traced out the pattern on a piece of paper, and then I enlarged the pieces, the decorative pieces where the jewels will be placed on the knuckles and the center of the hand. And then I figured out the materials I wanted to use, cardboard and the styrofoam sheet, and then toilet paper rolls for the fingers. So I traced the items on the cardboard and cut them all out. Made sure I got each piece that I drew out. Then after I cut them all out, I glued the pieces, the knuckle pieces, to the main part of the hand, and then the center diamond piece. This arrow part is going to help connect the styrofoam bottom part of the hand to the cardboard piece. So I'll just glue that together. I'm going to do the inside of the hand, also cut out those pieces and kind of shape them around the cardboard. Then I taped it all together, created the fingers with the toilet paper rolls by cutting a bunch of inserts and then folding them down and taping them. And then I will eventually paper mache. I added some extra detail to the fingers and to the bottom part of the hand. And then to create the bend of the fingers, I cut out a slit in between the two cardboard pieces. And this will help give some motion to the fingers, be able to bend it. Then I created a paper mache paste with some toilet paper and water and glue, and then just a little bit of flour. Then I placed it in between the cardboard pieces to create a more metallic looking. I set that aside to dry. It took about 2 days to dry completely. It had more water than I guess I should have added. Paper mache'd the fingers, tops, and set that aside to dry overnight. Then to create a joint for where the knuckles will bend, I glued elastic to the fingers and then to the hand. This will make it so I can stick my fingers in and easily bend the fingers. Once I glued all the fingers down, I am ready to paint. So I got some gold metallic paint spray and sprayed a couple layers, set that aside and dried, and then glued on the different gems. And voila, it is done. Pretty simple and pretty inexpensive. If you think about it, I really only spent a little bit of money on the gems, and then the rest is just cardboard and paper and a little bit of glue. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.